Hi, I'm Christoph and I will be showing you today how to make a magnetic pickup tool for all those screws and nails and metal stuff that's lying around in your workshop. All you need is a plastic container, a strong magnet, any shape will do, and a dowel, and a piece of plywood, glue gun, and a drill. And I'll show you in a moment. Tools wise, there's a glue gun, drill. I didn't mention a jigsaw, but you can use a hand saw if you don't have one, or any other saw like a scroll saw or a bandsaw. There's my drill bit, and let's start. So the basic problem with magnets are that they attract all metal. So the problem is to get rid of all this fine dust and metal shavings that accumulate on the magnet. So this device that we're going to build is going to eliminate that problem. So here's my piece of wood. I've clamped it in my vise. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trace a shape that is smaller than the inside of the container. So let's just make a rough line around. So if we make it slightly smaller than that all around, it should be able to fit inside. There we go. So you can also use a hole cutter if you've got one. It's already a circular hole. I'm just going to use a jigsaw to cut it out. Perfect. The reason I use plywood is normal wood has got grain that will break easily, especially if you've got a small component. Because it consists out of layers, it's much stronger in all directions. So I'm only drilling it about 2/3 into the wood, not all the way through. And the diameter of the drill is the same as the dowel. So right now, the length of the dowel, it should be a little bit longer than the total length of the container. That will do it. I'm just quickly going to cut this off with the jigsaw. So while that is heating up, I'm just going to review all the parts. I still need to drill the same size hole into the lid. Nice fit. Okay, so I've found these small pieces. They're just about the right size. They mustn't be higher than the magnet. So, but first, before we do that, I just want to reinforce the dowel connection to this piece of wood with a screw. I'm going to drill a pilot hole. So, let's put it in like that. I'm drilling a small hole into the dowel to prevent it from cracking when I put the screw in. Now that I'm ready, okay, now we've got this. All we need is a screw. And that's a very, very strong connection now. So our magnet. Just going to put a little bit of glue here just to position it. And then I'm adding these other pieces around. So if it sticks over like that, don't worry about that, we can trim that off afterwards. So there, and then stick that into the lid, like that. Let's think about a handle, something that you can grip on. So we can do exactly the same on that side, or we can use a bit part of the dowel and make a T handle, which I think I'm going to do here. So for us to make a nice fit there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this drill bit and I'm going to drill close to the end, right through, so that it makes a nice shape for us to put the drill in, put the handle in. And now you can see the top of the wood took that shape, the dowel, and all I need is I need to cut a piece off nice to form a handle. So I'm going to do exactly the same with a pilot hole and a drill, but I'm just going to glue it in place and then afterwards put a glue. Now it's very important to remember the lid before you do this part. And that's good. We've got that there. Let's throw a little bit deeper. There's a suitable screw. I'm going to put that in there. So I'm closing it, and the magnet is all the way to the bottom now, and you can put the magnet up and down. Thank you for watching, and now you know how to make your own magnetic pickup tool, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So you have a situation where you worked and there's sawdust on the floor and nails and screws are in between, and you want to clean up but you don't want to throw away, so you just use your new magnetic pickup tool and you can get rid of all the metal pieces and leave everything that's not metal behind, and everything is stuck there and very easy to separate, because when you pull the handle everything falls off. Your magnet is still clean inside, and you are sure that if you sweep this up and throw it away, you didn't lose any of your tools or screws and nails.